Hi, my name is Dean Souza, Century 21, real estate agent and expert in probate and trust transactions. In probate, everyone has a will or plan, whether it's created or by default. Even if you have not made a will or trust, you still have a plan which is dictated by the laws of the state upon where you reside upon your death. Making a will is not a way to avoid probate, which is the court procedure that changes the legal ownership of your property after death. You can do several things now that will help your family and executor later on, hopefully much later on. During the process, I'm frequently asked questions. One of them is, if I'm in possession of a will that distributes the decedent's estate to me, isn't this all I need? And the answer is no. The will must be admitted to probate, and the will of the decedent must be what we call probated. Another question I'm asked is, what does probate actually mean? Well, generally, probate is a court proceeding that administers the estate of an individual. I'm also asked, what is the purpose of estate administration? And there's really 5 purposes. One is to determine if the decedent is in fact deceased. Number 2, to establish the validity of the will. Number 3, to identify the heirs and devisees of the decedent. Number 4, to settle any claims that creditors may have against the estate of the decedent, and to distribute both personal and real property. I'm also asked, what is the difference between an executor and an administrator? An executor carries out the directions and requests set forth in the decedent's will. An administrator is appointed by the court to manage the estate of a decedent's will who dies intestate or without having made a will. If you are an executor or an administrator and are going to process the estate pro per without court assistance, we at the Souza team have an array of services that you may find useful. Some of these are paralegal services, maintenance and repair services, financing if the estate needs funds to make up back or late payments or to stay current with ongoing monthly mortgage payments or back taxes, to arrange vacant property insurance so the real property remains current in its insurance coverage if it is vacant. As we begin to understand all the steps and complexities in a real property probate transaction, it becomes abundantly clear that a real estate agent that understands the process and has the resources and systems to navigate the challenges and problems that are unique to each transaction is integral to the success of the process and to protect the integrity of the administrator or executor. At the Souza team, we're always just a phone call, text, or email away and are ready to answer your questions about probate, trust, or other types of real property transactions. Thank you.